Hey, hi and welcome everybody. So today what we are making is moong dal halwa. Basically it is an Indian sweet which is made up of a lentil which is called as moong. So first what I did is I took 2 cups of the moong dal and I soaked it in water. And I soaked it for around 6 to 8 hours. So after being soaked for 6 to 8 hours, this is how my moong dal is looking for now. So now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in a blender jar and I'm just going to blend it. Okay, so now as you can see, I have transferred all my lentils in the jar. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to blend it. Okay, so now you can see this is how, is the consistency of my moong dal lentil. What you can do, if possible, you can put less water. Like the more thick it is when you are trying to blend it, the better. But I just feel that even if you put a little more water while blending it, and if you're just roasting it for, some more time, it kind of, equates to what we want it to be. Continuing with the moong dal halwa, what I'm going to do is, I've taken 2 cups of the moong dal lentil. So I am going to take 1.5 cup of ghee. Okay. So now I'm going to let it melt. It's very important to put sufficient amount of ghee whenever you're making an Indian delicacy. The main taste is going to come from the ghee and then the lentil being roasted properly. So be generous enough to put the ghee. And now I'm going to put something very different. Now since I've taken 2 cups of the lentil, I'm now going to take around half a cup of atta flour. Okay, so I'm just going to put it in the hot ghee and now I'm going to roast it properly. I'm going to nicely try to mix it so that there are no lumps which can be seen. Be a little patient and keep continuing to stir it. All the lumps will go away. And try to rotate in one direction. Okay, so now I can see that it's nicely mixed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my lentil batter into the pan. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I have to put all the batter together at once. And now I'm going to keep stirring it in one direction. And the gas has to be on medium flame. And now you have to keep turning it for at least 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, the main taste is about this step, that is roasting the lentil or the moong dal halwa properly. And keep moving it in one direction, your lumps will not be formed. Okay, so as you've been seeing, I've been cooking this for at least 20 minutes and all I'm doing is I'm trying to make sure that it is not stuck to the bottom of the pan. And what I'm doing is, take it up like this and then try to press it towards the pan. Okay, and keep doing it. Keep doing it. You have to keep doing it and till the color changes. Okay, so as you can see friends, it's been around 30 minutes. And मूंग दाल हलवा जब बनाना है तो अकेले बनाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. आपको चाहिए कि एटलीस्ट somebody else भी आपको रिलीव करे. So right now I have a set of helping hands and I think it might take another half an hour. So for another half an hour you have to keep moving it. Okay, तो अब आप देख सकते हैं कि ये अच्छे से रोस्ट हो गया. It's roasted properly. This is the color that we want. Okay, try to be patient and try to keep cooking it so that this color comes. Now what you want to do is, how much ever you've taken the lentil, अगर आपने 2 कटोरी दाल ली है तो आप 2 कटोरी चीनी डालेंगे. जितना भी, how much ever you've taken the lentil, exactly the same proportion you want to take sugar. So I'm now adding around 2 cups of sugar. Okay, I know it kind of looks a lot, but it's really tasty and we don't really eat it in large quantities. We just take like 2 or 3 spoons at once to eat it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm also going to add almonds, chopped almonds. I'm just going to put a little bit of chopped almonds as well. And now I'm nicely going to stir it so that the sugar melts. Okay, you can patient and keep moving it because the end result is going to be something which all this effort is worth for. Okay, so it's now you can see that it's nicely roasted and the sugar which was also put has nicely melted. Now what I'm going to do is, I had taken 2 cups of the moong dal lentil. So now I'm going to put 4 cups of lukewarm milk in it, okay? So now I'm nicely going to stir it together. Now it's going to solidify very quickly. So all you have to do is for the next 5 or 10 minutes, just keep stirring continuously and your seera is going to be ready. Okay, so now as you can see, this is nicely done. It took us around 15 minutes and we had to keep stirring continuously. And now this is finally done. What you need to do is now just remove it in a container and then just keep it aside, because the next flavor, the proper flavor is going to come the next day. Okay, so now I've removed it in the container and this is how it finally looks. It's like 1.5 hour की मेहनत का ये फल है, बट ट्रस्ट में आपको इसे खाने में बहुत मजा आएगा. एंड आप इसे हफ्ते से 2 हफ्ते तक भी आप खा सकते हो. व्हेनेवर जब भी आप खा रहे हो, सिर्फ थोड़ा सा माइक्रोवेव में उसे गर्म कर दो या गैस पे थोड़ा सा गर्म कर दो एंड इट्स गोना बी रियली नाइस. बट ट्राई टू ईट इट द नेक्स्ट डे. ओके, डोंट ट्राई टू ईट इट द सेम डे. द नेक्स्ट डे द फ्लेवर विल गेट इनहैंस्ड. ओके, होपफुली यू एंजॉयड द वीडियो एंड झटपट बना लीजिए. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel so that you can view similar videos again. Okay, bye-bye.